Good morning, sir. Good morning, friends. I am going to talk about internet. The internet was first created by the Advanced Research Project Agency of the US government in 1960. At this stage, the internet was known as the ARPANET, means Advanced Research Project Agency. Its first computers were at academic and government institutions. They were mainly used for accessing files and to send email. From 1983 onwards, the internet as we know it today started to form, and it became a worldwide network researching into every home. Since 1983, the internet has academic a lot of changes and continues to keep developing. Today, the internet continues to evolve and is now available on mobile phones and possibly on television in the future. Father of internet. Whitecap is an American computer scientist who is often called the father of the internet. More than 30 years ago, along with Robert Kahn, he created a technology that has revolutionized millions of lives around the world. In the 1970s, he helped to build the internet while working as a researcher at Stanford University in California. Without doubt, Whitecap has been at the forefront of a digital revolution that has transformed global commerce, communication, and entertainment. In fact, the very phrase "suffering the internet" is derived from his name. Talk about you कि how is the internet different from intranet. An internet is a small version of the internet within a company of organization. It is very efficient, inexpensive way of companies to distribute information and documents. There's one major distinction between an intranet and the internet. The internet is an open public space, while an internet is designed to be a private space. An internet may be accessible from the internet, but as a rule, it's protected by a password and accessible only to employees or other authorized users. Who controls the internet? To put it simply, the internet belongs to everyone and no one's, despite constant attempts by many governments and large organizations. Nobody actually controls the internet. It is made up to many in developed networks that are owned by different people or organizations, but no more person or organizations own all